Hello and welcome back to Crochet with Jane. Today's class is a beginner crochet tutorial to make simple, beautiful mittens, or in other words, fingerless hand warmers. This DIY takes just 2 hours to crochet a couple. So when you're ready, take your hook and let's begin. Let's start today's class with materials we need. So we need yarn, 4.0mm hook and scissors. Make a slip knot and you should chain as much chains that will go around your palm. It's up to you how much chains it will take. You should try it on while crocheting. You should wrap it around your palm and see how much you need to chain. So the beginning of this pattern based on you and your measurements. So for me it is 30 chains. Let's finish this off and I'll be back. So now I have chain 30 and it wraps around my palm pretty well. Make sure it is not twisted. Let's slip stitch to the first stitch like this. Put it on your arm, try it on to make sure it is not too tight. Even put a hand inside. So don't make them too tight or too loose. It is redo, just make sure it is comfortable for you. So when we have stitched, then we do chain 3. 1, 2, 3, because we are going to do a double crochet. For round 1 we are going to do a normal row of double crochet. So we are going back into the stitch we joined with. I crochet into first loop. We do double crochets all the way around like this. So we do double crochets. Let's finish this off and I'll be back. We have finished round 1. Do you remember chain 3 of the previous round? So we find third one. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to slip stitch to join round 1. Okay, round 2, next round. We are going to crochet a ribbon. Chain 1, 2, 3. It is very easy because it's repeating and repeating stitches. So crochet a stitch of the previous round from the front and do a double crochet. And crochet a stitch of the previous round from behind and do a double crochet. This type of crochet ribbon stitches is called front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Also, it stretches really well and the curve is nice looking. The curve is really unique and it is really easy. So continue like this till the end of a round and we'll meet there. My new videos are upcoming every week. Subscribe please not to miss my new videos. I really appreciate this. You can also get this and many other patterns by the link on my Etsy shop on the description below. Thanks a lot and let's carry on. So now let's slip stitch to the third stitch of the previous round like this to finish our round 2. Actually, we have completed our ribbon. Here we should do chain 1, 2, 3 to lift our next round, but I forgot to do this on the video, sorry. I was too excited to notice, but you better do this. We are just gonna do double crochet till the row where your thumb will go through. You can crochet a longer or a shorter hand warmer as you wish, or just follow me. To round 12, I'm gonna do regular rows of double crochet. I have 12 rounds. So let's meet there. We have finished the hand part. Let's move on to the part where your thumb will go through. We should chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we count down 6 stitches along the previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the 7th of the previous round, we do a double crochet stitch. Like this. And we continue double crocheting as we did before. We crochet in a circle to the place where we did start. We continue all the way around till this point where we have started. Done. And now we need to do double crochet as well. Below we have to stitch 7 right through this thing. We continue double crocheting right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. So don't worry, everything is okay and it will look really good. Now we continue double crochet into the first stitch of the previous round and we double crochet all over around for, I will have like 4 more rounds. Okay, ready, let's move on to the final stage. We'll crochet ribbon stitch like we did in the beginning. Chain 3, the stitch called front post double crochet, back post double crochet. So front post double crochet and back post double crochet. And we proceed like this to the end of the round. Count 3 stitches of the previous round, 2 stitch, ready, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Copy the previous round. Front post double crochet and back post double crochet. Okay, carry on and we'll meet at the end of a round. We've finished the last row double crochet and I'm gonna slip stitch. So basically that's it. And this is how it is. It is very cute, very simple, And if you enjoyed the video, let me know. Make sure you comment down below, like this video, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.